Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn how to install Pycharm Editor in our system. Also we will see how to set Python interpreter in our project. So first let's understand what is Pycharm. So Pycharm is a powerful integrated development environment or IDE designed specially for Python programming. It is developed by JetBrains. It has two variations, one is community edition and then professional edition. The community edition is free and open source, while the professional edition is paid one, where you get first 30 days as free trial, then you have to pay for it. Anyway, here we will see the free version, the community edition. Okay. One more thing is we can run Pycharm on Windows, Linux or Mac OS. Here I am using Mac. So I will follow all the steps required for Mac. Anyway, it is pretty much same for Windows. If you face any issues, let me know in the comment section. I will create a separate video for Windows. So anyway, let's download Pycharm first. Let's go to our browser and then go to google.com and just type download Pycharm. Okay. So here you see the first link, download Pycharm JetBrains. Okay, click on that link. So here you see Pycharm Professional, the Python IDE for data science and web development. This is the professional one. For the first 30 day you can see free 30-day trial. You can see two different one is for Apple Silicon user and then for the Intel one. Okay. We will go to the free version. Here you see Pycharm Community Edition, the IDE for pure Python development. Here anyway we will be using for the automation perspective. So we can use this. Okay. So let me click on the download. So it's getting downloaded. It is taking some time. If you want to download for the Windows, click on this Windows option. Okay. And then anyway you are seeing this .exe file, right? You can just click on the download and it will download the .exe file for you, and then just double click on that .exe file and just do click next. It's pretty easy. Just follow the instruction prompt. You will able to install it, and once you install it, just click on open. Okay, it will open Pycharm for you. Anyway, download is completed. Let me open it. Just double click on this. So installation is completed. It's pretty easy. Once the installation is completed, you will find it inside your applications. Okay, let me just click here Pycharm. Okay, let me just open it. So here you see Pycharm is open for me. Okay, I will create a new project. So here you see project, then new project. Just click here. So here you see the location. It means where we will create our project. Okay, you can give your own location where you want to keep this project. Okay, you can just click here and you can give the location. Okay, then here you see interpreter type. You can see project virtual environment. Then you also see custom environment. Okay, so let me explain you what is interpreter first. So Python interpreter means you need to provide the Python environment for this project to support. So here Pycharm is just checking if Python is installed in our local system, and then it is using the same Python interpreter. So here you see, right, it is automatically detecting the Python version which is installed in our system, Python 3.12, right, which is inside user local bin. So Pycharm is intelligent enough to detect it, okay, what is installed in our system. Now what we will do is we will just click on this create. So it will create project for us. So we have created our Python project. What you do is just click on this Pycharm and then click on this setting. Okay, and here you just type interpreter. So here you see project, Python project, and then Python interpreter. Okay, so what you see here? So by default it will be something like this, Python 3.12, which is already there in our system. Okay, you can do also one more thing. You can just click on this add interpreter. Okay, then add local interpreter. Okay, here you click on this system interpreter. Okay, so here you see user local bin Python 3.12. So, basically it is showing your local Python, okay, whatever is installed in your local system. If it is not showing up for you, simply what you do is just click on this 3 dots, okay, and then go to the user local bin. So, here user local and then bin, okay. So, here you will see something Python 3, right, Python 3.12, okay. You can just click on OK, then it will be selected for you. Then just click on OK, and here also you can click on OK. So, this is how you can map your Python interpreter to your project in Pycharm. So, the important thing to understand here is, first note down the path where your Python is located in your local system, and then choose that path as your project interpreter, and then you can start your work in your Pycharm editor. Okay. So, that is all for today. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.